Some say that Arabic is harder to learn than English. However, Arabs might say that English is the hardest. Nevertheless, today you're going to learn what is perhaps the easiest grammar lesson in Arabic to learn. In fact, you might say that it's easier than any lesson you had before. Hi, I'm Sama from Kalila, and in case you haven't guessed it yet, today we're talking about Arabic comparatives and superlatives. When it comes to learning Arabic, however, there really is no comparison. Head over to our website and see for yourself why so many others are calling the Kalila app the best way to learn Arabic the right way. Download it to your smartphone today from our website, kalila.com. Now let's start learning comparatives and superlatives in Arabic. First, let's begin by looking at some adjectives you may have already learned. كبير, عظيم, صغير, طويل. When creating comparatives, the adjective is always followed by من, as in سامي أطول من توم. The pattern of how the comparative is made in Arabic is أفعل من. For instance, كبير means big. In order to turn it into the comparative, we use the model أفعل, making it أكبر. Following that with من lets us know it's comparative. As a result, the comparative adjective of كبير is أكبر من, bigger than, and طويل أطول من, taller than. Without min following it, the adjective will become superlative. For example, سامي أطول من توم becomes سامي هو الأطول. Another way to express the superlative is by adding ال to the base form, الأفعل, as in الأفضل. Here's another example. طويل الأطول. So to summarize the previous couple of cases, صغير أصغر من الأصغر. That's all for now. Don't forget to keep learning Arabic the right way by downloading the Kalila app today. I'm Sama, and until next time, أراك لاحقاً.